Friday morning. It's the end of June, and I'm on my way to work. Last Sunday we went out and hiked up to McAfee Knob. And those of you who don't know, McAfee Knob is out by Roanoke, Virginia, on the Appalachian Trail. And this was our second attempt. First time we went out a little over a year ago. It was really hot, and we made it about 2/3 of the way up to the last shelter before you hit the knob. And Donna was feeling sick, and I was gassed, so we just turned around and came back home. Now this is a 3-hour drive from the house, so it wasn't easy to give up and turn around, but we did. But this time, as you can see from the photo at the beginning of the intro, we made it. By the way, if you make it to the end of this video and you enjoyed it, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell there in the corner. Matter of fact, just hit all the buttons, just run your finger across all of them. It means a lot. I'd appreciate it. Alright, so we made it to the parking lot of the Knob once more. Not too crowded. Of course it is Father's Day, so this is attempt number 2. Let's see if we can get to the top this time. I've been wandering down the same road back into town. Crazy how fast the cars come around this corner. You gotta watch your ass. All right, we're gonna take the fire road up and take the trail down in the dark. So we're at the first map, not quite a mile in. We're not going half a mile an hour, so we might make it today. It's nice and windy. Feels good. Yeah, we're kind of going downhill, which is concerning. We're supposed to be going up the mountain, but we're going downhill. I think it'll be all right. Maybe. The GoPro does not do this rock any justice at all. If you can hear me over the wind. I've been wandering down the same road back into town, talking on the phone with you. Who knows what we should do? 'Cause when we try to do things right, it always ends up with a fight. It's really messing with my head. Too bad, my friend. We made it past where we made it last time. And now it goes straight up. See you at the top. I'll be laying on the ground. I think I'm learning a valuable lesson that tank tops and backpack straps don't mix. Have a little nipple chafing going on. See a lot of blue sky, low in the trees, and I hear a lot of wind. I think we're close. We were just saying,
We definitely don't think we would have made it the last time we came out. We turned around with about 1.25 miles to go. And this last 1.25 miles is basically straight uphill. So, probably a good thing. We're gonna get there today. Family with the dog just went by. So now Donna's gonna be even further behind because she can't pass the dog on trail without talking to it. What are you gonna do?
Your civil rights, you demand that I eternize your name. Walk ahead. You cover us in shame, and I take the blame. Living by the rules to which high school blues. Walk ahead. Keep provoking, blood red sun starts choking. Can anyone stand this nonsense? Eating away, telling us to stop and obey, to stop and obey. Now rats can shine, Joker's got silver lining, and Holy Mary sings songs in the wet rain. Walk ahead. Now every new day's a new firearm to my teeth. Call me a liar. Building as you rip. Someone show me someone living up desire.
All right, we're back. I didn't do any filming at the top because once we got to the top,
There was lots of oohs.
It was time to just hang out and
Awes.
take pictures. But anyway, we're back in the van. It's what, 10:30?
Yeah.
That was a hike. That was a slog up and down.
4 hours and 20 minutes